Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here once again. The educational series, has provided an informative and useful video about small businesses insurance. Here, we will try to cover all about small businesses insurance, including small businesses insurance. What are the advantages of insurance for small and medium-sized businesses? What are the different types of small business insurance? When should I purchase business insurance and how much does business insurance cost, and much more. For your kind information, this series has been made only for educational purpose. For any doubt, you can use the comment section. We will try our best. Let's get right to the topic without wasting any time. What is small businesses insurance? Insurance companies frequently combine a number of different insurance coverages into a single contract that is sold to the customer. The business owner's policy is the most common type of insurance for small businesses. One package policy, the business owner's policy, provides coverage for all major property and liability insurance risks, as well as numerous additional coverages, in a single package policy that is suitable for the majority of small businesses. The term business owner's policy refers specifically to the insurance policy language developed by ISO's insurance policy experts. The Insurance Services Organization, ISO, provides insurance companies with sample insurance policy language, research, and a variety of other products. It is included in the business owner's policy as business income insurance, which is also known as business interruption insurance. This compensates a business owner for income that has been lost as a result of a disaster. Disasters typically cause a halt to business operations and may even force a company to vacate its premises. Business income insurance also provides coverage for any additional expenses that may be incurred if a company is forced to operate from a temporary location. A variety of additional coverages can be added to the basic business owner's policy in order to address specific risks associated with a particular type of business. Consider the following example. If a business has a large outdoor sign, it is not covered by the business owner's policy unless additional coverage is purchased for an additional premium. If a business relies on electronic commerce, the owner can purchase additional coverage to compensate for lost income and additional expenses incurred if the business's ability to conduct e-commerce is slowed or stopped as a result of a computer virus or hacker attack. For the purposes of obtaining a business owner's policy, only small to medium-sized businesses that meet certain criteria are considered eligible. The size of the premises, the required limits of liability, the nature of the business, and the extent of off-site activity are all factors that insurers take into consideration. Premiums for business owners' policies are determined by a combination of factors, including the location of the business, its financial stability, the construction of the building, its security features, and the likelihood of a fire. What are the advantages of insurance for small and medium-sized businesses? The most significant advantage of having business insurance is that it can assist in covering financial losses that can occur during the normal course of doing business, such as lawsuits, bodily injury, property damage, flooding, and other events. Other advantages include the fact that your company will be able to operate within the boundaries of your state, and that other businesses will feel more comfortable doing business with you because you have your own insurance coverage. What are the different types of business insurance? The insurance policies listed below are the most common types of policies that a small business may require. Each of them provides a unique set of protections that are tailored to the specific requirements of your company. Despite the fact that these are not the only types of insurance available, they are the ones that are most frequently required by all types of organizations. General liability insurance. Generally speaking, general liability insurance is the most common type of business insurance because it covers the most fundamental requirements that are shared by all types of businesses. This policy provides coverage for things such as bodily injury on your company's property and physical damage caused by employees on your company's time. If you are unsure about the types of insurance your company requires, consult with an insurance professional. Professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance, is a type of insurance policy that is designed to protect professionals in the course of their daily work. It is possible that expert advice provided to a client by you or your employees will not always result in the desired outcome. When this occurs, you may be exposed to liability if the client suffers financial harm and holds your company responsible. This coverage provides you with liability protection against that risk. Workers' compensation. It is the purpose of workers' compensation insurance to protect the interests of your employees in the event that they are injured while on the job. It can also protect your company from a lawsuit if an employee files a claim for compensation for injuries sustained on the job. If you have any employees, you are required to carry workers' compensation insurance in most states. Insurance for commercial real estate. It's similar to having homeowners insurance on your own home when it comes to commercial property insurance. It gives you peace of mind by protecting your building and its contents against named perils, such as fire, theft, and severe weather. Auto insurance for commercial use. Your commercial auto insurance is very similar to your personal auto insurance in terms of operation. If your company owns a vehicle, you are required to carry at least the bare minimum of insurance coverage in order to operate it on public roads. In the event that you use your personal vehicle for business purposes, there is some ambiguity about what insurance coverage you will receive and what coverage you will not receive. Do your research to ensure that you are fully protected. Business owner's policy. A business owner's policy is a collection of insurance policies that are specifically designed for small businesses. In most cases, these policies will include coverage for general liability, commercial property, and business interruption insurance, among other things. Because they are packaged and sold together as a single policy, administration of your protection is simplified, and you may even be able to get a better deal on your insurance. Llc Insurance. When starting a new business, forming an LLC is the most straightforward method of protecting your personal assets. The formation of an LLC allows you to separate your business operations from your personal assets. The most significant advantage of this arrangement is that, in the event that your company is sued, your personal assets, such as your home and savings account, will be protected. What about your company's assets, on the other hand? In the event that your company is sued, the LLC will not protect the assets of your company. So, what safeguards will your company have in the event of a legal action? Business liability insurance for your limited liability company. When should I purchase business insurance? When starting a business, you should consider purchasing business insurance, especially if you intend to begin operations as soon as possible. By doing so, you can ensure that your company is protected from the start against lawsuits, property damage, medical costs associated with bodily injury, and anything else that could occur during the course of doing business. How much does business insurance cost? Small business insurance costs typically range between $700 and $3,800 per year, depending on the type of insurance your company requires and how many employees you have. Finally, in this whole series, we discussed about small businesses insurance, including small businesses insurance. What are the advantages of insurance for small and medium-sized businesses? What are the different types of small business insurance? When should I purchase business insurance and how much does business insurance cost, and much more. Hope you understand and found this series more informative and useful. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a beautiful day.